In this video, I will show you how to buy ETH on Coinbase. So if you want to buy Ethereum on Coinbase, then please watch this video until the end. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on buy and sell at the bottom left in here. And once you click on this, you need to click on buy crypto. So go ahead and search for Ethereum, or you can already select this by the top assets. But if it's not visible for some reason for you, then you can also do this, type in Ethereum and then just go in and click on this. Now just enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to purchase. So let's say I want to purchase 50 euros of Ethereum. Then I can also select if it's a one-time order or if it's a recurring buy. So just fill in what you like. I'm just going with the one-time order. And now you can select the payment method for your purchase. So I'm just going to click on this and now I can select Apple Pay or my wallet. So I'm just going with Apple Pay in here. Then I can review my order and then I have a confirmation in here. I will see how much Ethereum I will receive, what the current Ethereum price is, and I have an option to invest weekly as well. So now I can just go ahead and click on buy now, and that is basically how I will finalize this purchase. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.